Hello everyone, I am Rejon. In this video, I am going to show you how to hand feed baby birds. There are two methods of hand feeding. I am going to show you both of the methods. At first you need this type of hand feeding spoon. You can easily get it from pet store or you can make it at home. You can see that I have already prepared my hand feeding solution. Now you have to feed him just like this until 70% of his crop is filled with food. First, you need this type of syringe. You can easily get it from any medical store or pet store. Now you have to feed him slowly just like this until 70% of his crop is filled with food. I will personally recommend you all to use spoon and try to avoid syringes because spoon feeding is very safe for your bird. It takes more time to feed, but you have to feed him with patience. You don't need any experience for this process. But if you use a syringe, then you should have proper knowledge or experience about it. Otherwise, you can hurt your bird. I think this video will help you all. That would be all for today.